Crude oil, daily forecast, March 5th, fxempire.com. Looking at the light sweet crude market, you can see that we fell again during the Monday session, but we had suggested previously that 90 could offer a bit of support based upon the noise over here, and it did just that. We got down to about 89.40 or so, and then bounced to form a perfectly shaped hammer at the perfect spot. It's because of this we think that a bounce could be coming, and a break of the highs from the session should send this market bouncing significantly. The question then, of course, is whether or not it can get past this cluster here, and if it does, then we see a potential from a technical standpoint of a range between roughly 98 and 90. And if that's the case, this should be a great trading vehicle going forward. The market has been sold off rather drastically, and this may be predicated more upon U.S. dollar strength than anything else, as it takes less of those dollars to buy the commodity. However, we see that a break of the highs, which is for the session on Monday, which is $91, is enough to get us to at least buy this market from a short term perspective. Looking at the Brent market, you can see it had a very similar showing for the session. We had suggested that 110 was going to be fairly significant, and it was. We broke down below 110, we bounced back up, formed a little bit of a hammer. It's probably not as good looking as the one in the light sweet crude markets, but we actually like this market a bit more because of the fact that if we can break above, we have a little bit more room to wiggle. A break of the highs for the session, of course, is a good sign for the buyers. We think if we can get past that, we can go back up to roughly 117. As far as selling is concerned, there's just far too much noise below, especially like right here in this vicinity, so we're just not interested in doing it as we think the sellers have already made their easy money.